Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this E-Class. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on.
Please follow the road for 1 mile.
Then we go to telephone. We need this telephone at the bottom, call list there, and stuff along the top. So direction arrow there, down to telephone, click OK. Bluetooth telephones, select again, OK, and then you've got update. It comes onto the screen and you don't really know that you have to press it, so you click OK. It's now searching for up to 10 Bluetooth phones. I have to say that the older style phones and the newer iOS operating system and the iPhone 11, it does sometimes confuse it, especially as I had it connected for the test drive and then I deleted it, and I'm now pairing it again. There you go, it's come up with my phone. So downward arrow till I get to my phone, click OK. I've now got to put a code in, so just for convenience for me and quickness, I'll put 0000 in, and then we have to knock the arrow across here to OK. Click OK. Now I have to enter the same code here, so 4 noughts and pair. Do I want my contacts and favourites to sync? I don't. I won't be using the car again, but you will. So don't allow for me, and that's it connected. Authorize it. Easy for me to say. Authorization procedure successful. That's how you do it.